If you want to hide a section in Squarespace without permanently losing it, this tutorial is going to make that super easy. Whether you're cleaning up a page, testing a new layout, or just want to remove a section temporarily and bring it back later, Squarespace has a simple way to do it using saved sections. This is a great trick for keeping your site organized while saving time, especially if you plan to reuse that section again in the future. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Squarespace tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Squarespace page and go to the exact page where the section you want to hide is located. Once you're there, click Edit in the top left corner of the page. This puts the page into editing mode so you can work directly with the layout. Now hover your mouse over the section you want to hide. When you do this, Squarespace will show a floating menu for that section. In that menu, look for the heart icon. This is the Save section option. Click the heart icon to save that section to your account library. This step is important because it stores the design so you can use it again later instead of rebuilding it from scratch. After the section is saved, you can remove it from the current page view. To do that, click the trash can icon on the same floating menu. This deletes the section from the active page, which effectively hides it from visitors. Your section is now removed from the page, but because you saved it first, it is not lost. It's stored safely in your saved sections library. If you ever want to bring that section back later, just go to the page where you want it to appear and click Add Section. Squarespace will open the section library. From the left-hand category menu, choose Saved Sections. Then find the section you previously saved and click it. Squarespace will drop that layout right back into place, ready for you to use again. This is especially useful if you are building multiple pages with the same design style or if you want to temporarily hide content during a redesign. So the simple process is, edit the page, hover over the section, save it with the heart icon, then remove it with the trash can icon, and later restore it through Add Section and Saved Sections. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Squarespace tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.